Hi guys, it's Satin from Yiannimize and welcome back to TWAY. This week at Yiannimize, episode 16. If you haven't subscribed to the Yiannimize YouTube channel, hit that button now and make sure you turn on the bell icon so you know when we've uploaded. Okay. I don't know if that's a statue or someone real. Anyway, that's Andrew from over there. Bye, Andrew. Right, let's start this video. First up, the V-Class is still here. We haven't started work on it as of yet, but we will do. I've also got a second V-Class here that belongs to a Boxster, but I'll show you that in a minute. Now, as you walk through, you're gonna notice my three cars are directly behind me. I'm not gonna talk in depth today about those cars. However, I am shooting a video on why I have those three cars, how I bought them, did I finance them, rent them, lease them, did I buy them outright? What happens when I sell them? Do I take a loss? That video is coming real soon. You lot have asked for it, I'm gonna shoot it. But they're the three cars, Aventador SV, Lamborghini Urus with the fresh PPF carbon wrap. Click here, you need to see that video, it's insane. My Porsche Taycan Turbo S, click here, you need to see that video as well. But more on those three cars on another video, coming real soon. Right, where should we go first? Let's go, I see Elliot's doing that, yeah? We'll go into this unit first, okay? So in here, first, oh, Rio's there. What does his hat say, turn around? Consistent. Consistency is key.
Consistency is key.
Is it? Why is it key, Rio?
I ain't gonna put me on the spot like that, innit?
Your hat says it, mate.
Consistency is key, innit? You stick to what you're doing, you'll get to where you're gonna be. That's what I think of it.
It's very true. He started up as a junior, he's now strip and fitter. He's living life, he's doing well. Consistency is key. We've got a Range Rover Evoque here. On the other side, I've got Daniel. This car is in for a ghost. It's also having a wrap. It's going satin black. Satin black, we know it always works. Rio's stripping it. Daniel is clay barring the whole car before we start applying vinyl. So that is that Range Rover Evoque. Behind me, we have the EBC Brakes Fiesta. First up, wrap the whole car in satin black. And then, there's actually a picture of this actually. Well, let me show you. There's Naomi behind me as well. Hi Naomi, how are you? You might know Naomi, she's the one that always does like the logos, the branding and stuff. Naomi, come in. Talk to me. So what are we doing here?
Okay, so I don't really know yet, so.
What do you mean don't really know yet? So you put her on the spot.
So I think we're doing half wrap on one side of the car to red, and then I think we're also putting matte
Tell them,
black.
don't tell me.
And then I think we're also putting matte black, like triangle kind of camo theme on the other side of the car and the roof. And then logos for branding. Okay,
so that's Naomi. By the way, Naomi bought a new car. We are going to shoot a video on that as well. So congratulations. Tell them what car you bought.
I got a Fiesta Bath.
But it's a
70th anniversary edition.
Hell yeah, wow. So that's Naomi's car. Or that'll be information on Naomi's car. Someone else also bought a new car as well. Her partner. Maybe they won the lottery. Anyway, let's go to the back. Let's go see, my phone's dropping. Let's go see a man like Sal. Sal is like the golden child at the moment. Ah, there he is. Hi, Sal. And Kieran's here as well. Sal is like, worked on Jan's car, done it Carbon PPF, everyone's talking about me. You saw him standing there with the Italian flag. Proud. And he's Italian as well, so it worked really well. Today, he's gone back to his normal job, which he's working on an A45S AMG. Full PPF?
Full PPF on this one, yeah.
Clear PPF, so he's just protecting the paintwork. It's brand new, box fresh. Look at the interior. Look, Recaro seats with the yellow stitching, and the yellow stripe, including the steering wheel. This is insane, this car. It's got, what's it got? It's got 761 miles, so it's actually very, very new. Got a baby seat in the back. Great car. I don't remember seeing an S before. Have they just come out? It's a 70 reg car, so it is brand new. I always know the A45 AMG. Let me know. Is the S new? Was it out before? Or did we never see one? Look at the kit. It's nice that Sal's got a friend for once. Usually Sal doesn't have any friends. Sal, you got a friend, mate? Let's go to the other side. Consistency is key, Rio.
Consistency is key. Shout out my boy Alan for the hat as well. Yeah.
Alan?
Yeah. I'll tag him. I'll put him in the comments, innit?
No, you won't. Everyone's trying to do plugs out here. Right, where are we going? Elle likes to tell me where to go. So we're going into the new unit. Before I walk over there, are we showing them a quick catch up of what happened in the week? Have we missed anything this week?
Yeah, you can show them the A5. Remember the Ice Grey one?
Okay, so before we head over to there, let me give you a quick catch up on the A5 Ice Grey for the Iceman. And he actually speaks on the video. Check this. So, Audi's just been complete. Ice Grey wrap. And the man is called the Iceman, okay, because he sells ice. That's him there over there, by the way. That's his friends. They're his friends. But we don't care about the friends. It's about the man that had his car done. And he's just seen it for the first time. It looks like factory paint. It looks classy. It looks original. Different tornado grey where people usually do it. I don't think we've done this colour before either. Ice grey wrap, gloss black wheels, D-chrome. Say no more. What do you think?
No words.
Okay, what do you guys think?
Banging.
Amazing work.
Okay, so who gave him the... So originally he was going to keep the chrome, and we know we hate chrome here when it's like around the windows. Who told him to do a D-chrome?
I did.
You did. Why?
Because it looks banging. I see your work. You gotta go all out, innit?
Go all out. Are you glad now you D-chromed it?
Yes. Well, I'm teaching anyway you want.
But that's his car, and there's his Insta on the back. Iceman Party Ice. Check him out. Boom. Right, we head into here. First car you see, BMW M850i, I want to say. This was wrapped in chrome red for BMW. The wrap is now coming off, as you can see, so it's pretty much back to black. Still a few more chrome bits to go. And Chris is fitting it back up as we go. Behind me, I've got a V-Class, and I mentioned to you that we had a second V-Class. This is it. See if you know whose car it is. This should give it away. Don't look at the plate first. Right, we close up. Just look at this here. It says war. When you hear war, there's only one person you can talk about, and yes, it is Dereck Chisora, the man himself. Me and Dereck pretty much grew up together. He's known me 20 plus years. Cool guy. When he's in the ring, it is war. He's fighting in a couple of weeks' time. So come on, Dereck, man. Bring it back. But this is Dereck Chisora's V-Class. Had a little issue, something to do with the electric, so he's asked me to have a look at it. Have a look at the inside. It's actually really, really cool. If you follow his Instagram, you'll see he's always posting in here, watching TVs and stuff. Pab is working on it, trying to find the faults. Over this side, Tesla Model X wrapped in satin black. The doors are open. This is like the dancing car. You know, obviously with Tesla, they have like all the features on the system and stuff where the car can dance. Really, really cool. It's also having a full body kit. Full chrome deletes, so all chrome's to gloss black. How cool does this look? As I always say, satin black is always a no-brainer. It always, always, always works. You might notice Mark's on his own. No Nico. Hasn't left, don't worry, he's still here. Nico's not feeling too good. Hasn't got COVID, just little sniffles. So he's like, Yan, I need to take a couple of days off. No problem. So Nico's off, Mark's on his own. All by myself, don't wanna be. Anyway, he's working on this Porsche 911. It's going Sting, Lemon. Okay, only on the weekend. Porsche 911, it's going yellow, lemon, Sting. This looks insane. I love when a customer does something different. It's got like a little flip to it as well. It's got like a yellow, it's got a bit of green in it and stuff. Really, really cool. And Mark is cracking on his own. He's doing the shuts and returns on this side, rear quarter. Huh? Outside only. Is it outside only? So, it looked like he was doing the shuts and returns. On this side, he's doing the rear quarter. It's a black car, so you can get away with the outside only. Sorry, what's that?
Everything's in Turkish.
Everything's in Turkish. This is Cool Bert. Anyway, this is Terry's workshop manager. Today he's working. It's nice that Terry works. Terry's background is actually body shop. So he is, to be fair, he's a baller painter. When it comes to painting, he's insane. But today he's getting the body kit ready, getting it cleaned, because obviously the body kit needs to be bonded. Talk to me, Terry.
Yeah, it's just, it's got like some back to black stuff or some sort
Back to black. Who knows about back to black? That's old school. We used to use that everywhere on our cars when we were younger.
Everything was plastic.
Yeah.
So yeah, just getting it clean, keying it up, and then we've got some adhesive sealant which we're going to apply. Hold up, mate.
Hey! Hey, hey, Chris, what? This is the carbon kit that's going on. It's real carbon. Very, very nice. That's obviously the rear diffuser, spoilers. In this box, there's 2 kits, one for that Tesla and then one for that customer's other Tesla. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on in here. Let's head over, let's go to the wash bay and see what's going on out there. So we're at the back. We actually had 1 BMW in there and we've got 3 BMWs here. This is my BMW X4M competition. You might remember I actually ordered this from BMW Park Lane. I haven't really been driving it. My cousin was driving it for a bit. It's back for a while. But yeah, this was on a lease deal, 1-year lease deal. It's here. Great VIP BMW Park Lane deal. It's a no-brainer to have that. BMW i8. This car arrived yesterday. Not really sure about the colour, but the colour he has chose. Andrew has booked this customer in. I'm not even going to tell you what colour he booked. Having gloss black wheels. All the blue trims are going to gloss black as well, including the triangles on the BMW emblem. But yeah, BMW. There's no actual job sheet on this car. I know it's a BMW M4. Let's ring Andrew. Andrea Zogalos.
Yes.
Can you tell me what the BMW M4 is having, please?
Of course, sir. It's the BMW. Why is the job sheet not on the car?
Don't know, mate.
Well, let's blame your boy Tel down there then.
Okay, I'll blame Terry, don't worry. I won't tell him you said that though.
I'll tell him, mate. I'll tell him myself.
Go on.
I know you can hear me.
You can't hear you, I'm outside. Go on.
Fair enough. So the car is going Avery Satin Energetic Yellow.
Okay.
We're doing the calipers in a gloss version of that colour to match.
Yeah.
Also, we're putting his branding on the side of the car, which is Spin Monsters, I believe.
What colour is the BMW i8 going?
It's going Andrew's colour, mate.
Is it Andrew's colour, yeah? Thought as much. Bye, Andrew. Thank you. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye.
That's Andrew, sales manager. We've also got this Mini. We actually wrapped these Minis. There was 3 of them. If you click here, you can see that video. They've all come back to be stripped now. The 2 have already been stripped. This is the final one. We haven't even touched it yet, but it will be stripped and going back to the original. And I think that concludes. Oh, let's talk about the fence. What do you want me to say? We've sort of painted one panel. It still looks like someone's backyard. Hopefully by next Tuesday it'll be painted. But that concludes this week at Yiannimize. There's some unbelievable content coming real soon for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Yes, I stole that from Carwell, but hit the bell icon so you know every time we do an upload. If there's anything else you want to see during my weekly walk rounds, let me know. But guys, thank you as always, and I'll see you soon. Take care.